All right, so getting ready to move this. If it moves, it's a chicken tractor. If it don't move, it's a chicken coop. So either way, I'm just gonna do it like so. Just move a smidge. Well, maybe. We're gonna have us some pasture-raised chickens. So we got this done. Now we just need to go get some more chickens, which I think I'm gonna get some from my mom. Here's the first nest box, which I need to make some handles. Get the eggs. And of course we got number 2. That one stands on its own. All right, if you look here, look down in here, you see it's got plenty of place for them to roost. They can actually roost up here too. There's another bar up here on top. And over here, I just dumped the water because we was gonna move it anyway. It's kind of nasty, but we got the water and we just dump in the feed. So, yep, I think it's ready.